One of the main reasons for a bad smell is often the cage itself when it is not cleaned regularly or properly. Guinea pigs urinate approximately every 15 minutes and produce hundreds of poop pellets every day, so it is normal for the cage to start smelling after a couple of days. A clean and well-ventilated cage is essential for the health of your guinea pigs. Proper ventilation not only helps reduce odors, but also prevents the buildup of ammonia inside the enclosure. Ammonia buildup can cause respiratory problems, which can be fatal. It is important to regularly clean the cage to maintain a healthy environment for your guinea pigs. Usually, guinea pigs pee and their poop doesn't smell too bad. But if your guinea pig has really stinky poop, it might mean they have a health problem or their diet isn't balanced. It's important to ask a vet for advice if you notice this. Vets are experts who can help take care of animals and give them the right treatment. How to clean the cage. Many people ask me, how often should I clean their cage, and why do they poop everywhere right after I clean their cage? The answer to the first question is, it depends. The frequency of cleaning will mostly depend on the size of the cage relative to the number of guinea pigs you have. A good rule of thumb for a clean guinea pig cage is to try not to skip a day. It is recommended to do a spot cleaning at least once a day to remove excess droppings and monitor their health. Since guinea pigs urinate frequently and in various places, picking up their poop will also prevent it from sticking to their fur. If you use fleece bedding, having 1 or 2 extra layers on top will make cleaning the cage quicker. By replacing that layer, your piggies will have a dry surface for a couple of days. During the cleaning, make sure to throw away any uneaten pieces of vegetables from the previous meal. If a piece of vegetable is left untouched, your guinea pigs will usually not eat it. Since vegetables have high water content, they can quickly decay and dirty the bedding in the cage. If the leftover vegetables start to rot, they may even attract unwanted parasites that you don't want your guinea pigs to have. Usually, after 1 week, it's important to clean the cage thoroughly. If possible, put your guinea pigs in a playpen in another room with their water, food, hiding spots, and toys. Take your time to remove all the bedding and clean the bottom of the cage with a pet-safe and gentle cleaning product. Avoid using harsh products recommended for the bathroom. Remember that guinea pigs are very sensitive to smell and chemicals. After cleaning the cage, it is an excellent moment to spend some quality time with your guinea pig in their playpen. This is a great opportunity to bond with them and engage in fun activities together. Choice of bedding. Guinea pig bedding should be comfy and easy to clean. It's important to find the right kind of bedding for your guinea pigs. This will make cleaning their cage easier and help keep them healthy. Good bedding will last a long time and prevent expensive veterinary visits. Cage beddings are very important because they can soak up the moisture from pee and poop. This helps slow down the growth of harmful bacteria and reduces the smell. Guinea pigs need bedding all over their cage to prevent the buildup of smelly gases and bacteria. So, having good bedding is really important for their health and to keep their cage clean. It is crucial to select the appropriate guinea pig bedding for this reason. It's important not to use bedding materials that can be harmful to your guinea pigs, like softwood shaving, newspaper, sawdust, cat litter, or even pee pads from pet stores. These materials can cause breathing problems for your guinea pigs. There are 2 types of bedding that can be used to cover the bottom of the cage and make it comfortable and safe for your guinea pigs. One type is disposable bedding made from hardwood shavings or recycled paper. The other option is washable fleece liner that you can reuse. Both types help absorb any smells and keep the cage clean for your piggies. If you are choosing disposable bedding, make sure to select a product that is specifically made for guinea pigs and not something from a hardware or garden store. Each type has its advantages and inconveniences. The first type, as mentioned, is easy to clean and dispose of. The paper bedding can even be composted with the poop pellets, making it useful for your garden. The drawback with hardwood shavings and paper bedding is that they can take up a lot of storage space, and you need to be well organized to pick them up and dispose of the waste. Washable bedding, such as fleece liners and bath mats, can be more practical if you have limited space. They are also easier to manage because you can simply replace the smelly section, soaked with the guinea pig's urine. Additionally, you can perform quick spot cleaning once or twice a day without having to remove everything. However, one inconvenience is managing your laundry. Sometimes, with certain fleece liners, hay can get stuck in them, requiring you to brush the fleece to prevent your washing machine from getting clogged with hay and straw. Guinea pig poop is not dangerous, but it can have harmful bacteria like salmonella. That's why it's important to wash your hands after cleaning their cage. Cleaning the fleeces. If you're interested in learning about how we manage and clean our guinea pig's fleece, let me know in the comments, and I'll make a special video about it. In that video, I'll explain step by step how we handle the fleece bedding, including how often we change it, how we spot clean, and how we wash and dry it. So, if you're curious about keeping your guinea pig's cage clean and odor-free with fleece bedding, be sure to leave a comment and stay tuned for the upcoming video. Also, don't forget to subscribe to my channel to stay well informed about how to take care of your guinea pigs. Health issues. A healthy guinea pig is a little pooping machine. If you observe any abnormalities, such as the absence of poop pellets or a small amount, irregular shape, or even very soft and smelly discharge, it is important to consult with a veterinarian immediately. If your guinea pig's poop looks different than usual, it could mean that they are sick. It's important to pay attention to their poop to keep them healthy. Taking care of the situation quickly can help save your guinea pig's life. You can learn more about how to understand their poop in my video about different types of poop pellets. Infection and disease can cause bad smells, even if your guinea pig doesn't look sick. It can result in unusual odors that are difficult to describe. Infections can be difficult to detect, so make sure you regularly check your guinea pig's health. If you suspect that your guinea pig's smell is worse than usual due to an infection, you should definitely take them to the vet. Territorial situation. One of the other reasons why your guinea pig cage can be smelly is related to the interaction between guinea pigs. Some guinea pigs are more territorial and dominant than others. Dominant boars and sows each have their own ways of communicating with the rest of the herd to establish who is in charge of the cage. Male guinea pigs can have a stronger odor compared to female guinea pigs. This is because they have grease glands that produce a sticky and oily substance. They use this substance to assert their territorial dominance. These grease glands, also known as scent glands, are located just above where a tail would normally be. Males will rub their rear end on the ground to mark the surrounding area with their scent. Sometimes, your guinea pig may have a strong odor and smell of urine. This is because female guinea pigs have the ability to spray urine as a way to communicate their feelings and intentions to other guinea pigs. They may spray urine on others to establish dominance, especially when they are with other females or males. Female guinea pigs may also spray urine when they are stressed or upset with other guinea pigs and want to be left alone. If your guinea pig gets sprayed by another one, it might be time to give them a quick bath to remove the stickiness and smell from their fur. How to bath your guinea pig. If your guinea pig has dirty and sticky fur, or if your long-haired guinea pig has poop stuck in its fur, it's time to give them a bath. Remember that while guinea pigs can swim to survive and escape predators, they don't really enjoy being submerged in a large amount of water. It is also not recommended to give your guinea pig frequent baths. Instead, it's better to only bathe them when absolutely necessary, such as every 3 to 4 months. Too many baths can be bad for their health, especially in colder temperatures, and it can remove their natural greasy coating that protects their skin. When giving them a bath, it's important to follow some basic instructions for their safety and to avoid stressing them out. Cleaning your guinea pigs requires extra care. If you're doing it for the first time, it's okay to ask someone to assist you. Guinea pigs have sensitive bodies, so even the smallest ingredients in cleaning products, like shampoo, can cause a reaction. Therefore, make sure to choose only the mildest and safest pet cleaning products for them. The first step is to prepare a suitable place for cleaning your guinea pig. You can use the bathroom sink or a bowl that is not too high and is big enough to comfortably accommodate one guinea pig. It is important to only bathe one guinea pig at a time for their safety. Trying to bathe them all together will not save any time. Make sure that the water is lukewarm, about your body temperature. Don't put too much water. You should put enough to cover their paws and don't go over half their body. Make sure that you have a towel ready for when the bath is done. Using a small plastic cup is the right choice to gently soak and rinse their fur. Put a little bit of soap in your hand and gently rub their body. Avoid touching their head as they will not enjoy having their nose, eyes, or ears getting wet. After a minute or two when you are done, gently wrap your guinea pig in a dry towel to make them feel comfortable. If the temperature in your room is cold, do not leave your guinea pig to dry by itself without a towel as they will feel uncomfortable. In fact, they are happiest when the temperature is kept between 18 and 23 degrees Celsius or 65 to 75 degrees Fahrenheit. By keeping your guinea pig's cage clean, you can stop the bad smell from spreading in your living area. Cleaning the cage regularly will help you keep an eye on your guinea pig's health by looking at their poop. Remember that you should only give your guinea pig a bath when it's really necessary. A clean cage not only helps keep your guinea pigs healthy, but it also makes them and you happier. Let us know what type of bedding you are using and how you take care of your guinea pig cage to avoid unpleasant odors. Thank you for watching. If you've made it this far, you're an awesome guinea pig owner. Don't forget to watch the suggested video for more information about guinea pigs.